Man, give me my money.
No,
man.
I said no.
No, I want my money. I
said no, Pop. Now get out of here.
I expect a huge dump to still come before the bull market starts. But enough of the nonsense. Let's get into the charts. Today we're going to be talking about 3 scenarios on the charts and then doing trade possibilities like usual. So, starting on the main scenario on the chart, we are in this WXY in yellow, as you can see. This WXY in yellow is now complete, and we should be seeing one of 2 things happening. Either we should see a impulse, a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a wave 5. If we look at the chart, we do not see something like that. So we either then can have a diagonal, a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a wave 5. This is where the high of 1 overlaps with the low of 4, and wave 1 is the longest wave here, as you can see there. That is what a diagonal would be made of. So a diagonal, each of the moves in a diagonal is a 3-wave structure, as you can see here, an A, B, C, A, B, C, and it goes on. A, B, C, A, B, C, A, B, C, now finished in 3 possibly, and now we're looking for an A, B, C down, A, B, C up, before finishing that wave 1, then followed by a 3-wave structure in the wave 2 before that blast off in the wave 3. That is what our main scenario on the chart looks like right now. And if we zoom in to the 1 hourly time frame, we can see that we have a almost finished C wave up. So if we now look at it, we have a 1, 2, 3, 4 very sharp, and a 5 in an ending diagonal like we said earlier. An ending diagonal here is the ABC, and it goes on here, 3-wave structures. So now we are looking at quite a move down so far on the 1 hourly time frame. You can see these moves coming in. So at the moment, this is either one of 2 things. This is either that we have completed the wave 3 and now we are moving lower in this blue wave 4, or it is that this diagonal has not yet finished and we move 1 more degree up, this being then the bottom of the wave 4 instead. But at the moment we look at it like this, and that is our finished diagonal, and we look for lower prices. So this is our main scenario on the chart. The ideal target for the wave 4 would be on this trend line here, sitting at around the $59,800 level. But that is our main scenario at the moment finished. Then, if we go to our second scenario on the chart, we can see this is our second scenario here. We have in yellow a W, X, and a Y. A WXY structure consists of 3 wave structures on the chart. So in a W, we are looking for 3 waves. We can see here in blue the A wave down, B wave up, and C wave down. Perfect. Then in the X wave, we are looking for a ABC, an A wave up, B wave down, and C wave up. The A wave here is an expanding flat structure, which looks something like this. If we go to our Discord and go to our Elliott Wave education page, you can see that an expanding flat structure is this on the chart. Wave A goes up, B takes the low of A, and C expands past the high of A. So that is what we see on the chart right here. An A, B, C in the wave A. So an ABC in wave X, and now we are looking for an ABC in wave Y. So on this chart here, you can see an A wave down, a B wave up, and a C wave to the downside. That is what we are predicting here, and this C wave may indeed be finished now with this high finishing over here, moving this here, touching the 1-to-1 at $69,000, and now we are to move lower. The target for this ABC structure at the moment sits at, if we adjust for price, sits at $48,382. Here we should be seeing an impulse straight down in a large 1, a 2, and then another large 3. Something similar to something like this. If we measure this wave down, you can see here, and compare it, something like that would be the move down. So similar to this crash we had here. Then for the third scenario on the chart, we have this here, the most bullish scenario to date. We have a finished A, B, and a C, and finishing this ABC, we are now looking at that impulse scenario. So that impulse scenario that we had, can remember, when we finish a correction, it can either be an impulse or a diagonal. Here is the impulse scenario. A wave 1, 2 in blue, 3, 4, and wave 5. Inside this blue wave 3, we should have another 5-wave structure. In orange, we can see here a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then in pink, we can see here another 5-wave structure. 1, 2, 3, 4, and wave 5. The invalidation for the scenario sits at 62, or actually a little bit higher now, at $62,866. Once prices reach that, it means that either this wave 2 is being reset, or that this scenario is completely invalidated altogether. But this is our third scenario, so it is not our main one at the chart at the moment. Then for Elliott Wave channel on the chart on the daily time frame, we can see here that this is my structure for the bull market for this move up. We have a 1, 2 in red, 3, 4, and 5, and in this red we have another 1, 2, 3, 4, and a wave 5 still to be complete. So if we zoom in, we can see here that the middle line and the bottom line has indeed acted as support and resistance multiple times. You can see here support, support, support here for a little bit, support here many times here as well, and then the top side of this channel has acted as crucial resistance too. So this channel is indeed being respected at the moment, we can see that, and now we are looking for that last push higher in that wave 3 towards that 81,560 level. This indeed could extend, and we could have something like this, even a larger wave 5 up to the $90,000, but at the moment we are looking at something along this lines. After this red wave 3 should finish, we should have a ABC wave 4 pullback, and then this larger degree wave 5 on the chart again. That could take us to the all-time highs, all-time proper bull market for Bitcoin, which is sitting at around $120,000. But that is all for Elliott Wave channel on the chart. Now, for trade possibilities, starting on our main scenario. On our main scenario, we have this diagonal towards the upside. So, a trade possibility on the 4-hourly time frame would be to long from this box or target box here. This would be a good long to capture that move all the way up to that wave 3 massive bull market move. It would be quite a strong move up. We should have a 1, 2 and a massive 3 up. So that is what I do indeed expect here. This move could indeed take, if we take a general retracement from the 1 to the top to the 618, we could see this move go to the 0.618 at, or 1.618 at $90,000 if it does indeed extend that high. That could be a massive move, and could actually be the start of that 5th wave that we spoke about on the Elliott Wave channel. Then On the 1 hourly time frame, I would short from where we are now. This red line is where we shorted on our Discord, and that is where I remain to be short from. This is a good area to short from, as we are targeting those that moved down in the wave 4. So either this move down in the wave 4, or if this diagonal is over, we are going to this wave 2, but that is a move that could target those areas at around the $60,000 level. That is where I would start taking profit from this short. That was actually a 4 hourly trade, an hourly trade, and a 15-minute trade. So that those trades do indeed still remain, and those are the main trades at the moment to short from this area here. At the moment, we can see we are coming down a little bit lower as well, this candle being quite strong on the hourly time frame. But guys, thank you so much for watching. Do subscribe to the YouTube channel down below. Join the Discord for daily analysis, Elliott Wave education. We have daily analysis here. I put every single one of my charts over the weekend. You can see the detailed charting that I did here for all the scenarios. There are more than 5 or 6 scenarios on the chart at the moment, but I only do pitch the 3 main ones in the video. So for all the charts, go join the Discord below. But thank you so much for watching. It's been MaxTradesCrypto. Cheers, guys.